Hey there folks, a while back I was working on a cool project, a model of the Da Vinci armored vehicle. It had wooden planks all over it, which got me thinking about how to make them look real. The thing is, back then I didn't know much about texturing, so I hit up the internet and YouTube. I looked for some help with painting a wood texture, but guess what? All the tutorials I found were way too complicated for me as a beginner. So I decided to take matters into my own hands and figure out an easier way to make wood look legged on a flat surface. To my surprise, it worked out pretty well, and some of my subscribers shared that the wood looks real and asked me to make a tutorial video. Today I am excited to show you my simple method for creating a cool wood texture. Let's dive in and get started.
To start, I draw the groove rings. You can use a gel or ball pen, or even a pencil for this step. If you are working on a metal, stone or plastic, consider covering the surface with grey or light brown paint before proceeding with this step. In the following step, choose a primary color and blend it with water for a substyle transparency. Apply the mixture to the surface, ensuring not to use an excessive amount of paint. The idea is to maintain the faint visibility of the groove rings beneath the wet paint. Create a palette by mixing the primary color with lighter and darker shades. Apply light and dark spots on the surface, using water to blur the boundaries between the shades. If the paint layer becomes too thick, or if you are dissatisfied with the boundaries, you can use a brush and water to wash out some of the paint. And here's what we got. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumb up by clicking the like button. For more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned.